Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Thomas here, and today I want to give you an overview of a template called Fundmate, which is a simple deal flow and CRM management system in Notion built especially for micro VCs, solo GPs, and angels. And Fundmate is really one of the fundamental templates that I've built for micro VCs some time back, and since then I have updated the template and I've decided to record and the walkthrough once again in hopefully better quality. So Fundmate can act as I said, the primary use case is deal flow management and funnel management, but it can really act as also like a simple operating system for your practice. If you're just, let's say, an angel investor, or if you're running a solo GP fund, for example, and you're looking for something super simple, then you can, I think, run your kind of end-to-end operations with just this one template. Okay, so let me walk you through first of all and give you an overview how the template is set up, and then I will dive deeper into some of the elements. So as you can see, we have the navigation pane and actions, which enable you to add all these entries into the different places in the template, and access all of the sub databases that exist in Fundmate. But I will get back to that later. Next up is these overview charts, which give you a quick visual cue into your existing deal flow funnel based on stages and also based on your ranking. So you can use a simple ranking system for the startups that you're seeing, and these two things give you already like a nice visual cue into what is happening in your deal flow funnel. Then we have a very simple task management system, which you can optionally use or not, but basically you can create very simple tasks and relate them to the startups that are in your discovery funnel. Then we have kind of the main point of view for the whole template, which is the funnel itself, right? We have a simple analytics, which shows you the funnel broken down into three key stages: so long list and prospects, in talks and discovery, and then in due diligence and deal negotiation. So you can see quickly here how many companies you have in each of these three key stages. And then what you can see here is the funnel, the whole funnel at a glance. So from the stage of long list all the way to deal negotiation. And then just to wrap up, there is also like a simple portfolio view, which you can also use or not. I've also built different templates specifically for portfolio management, but here you can also use Fundmate to sort of like take your startups or take the company that you decide to invest from the discovery funnel into the portfolio view and keep tracking different stuff there, of course. Okay, with that being said, let me, before coming back to the discovery funnel, let me quickly show you the people networks, which are very simple records of founders and deal network, right? So the things that you want to be tracking in terms of when the record is about a person. So it's founders. As you can see here, this is a very simple table for a founder record. So basic contact details, of course, the startup that they're building, etc. So very simple record. Something similar is done for the deal network. So from my experience, you will end up building your peer network of co-investors, VCs, venture partners, and so on. And you can ideally put all these people here, so then you can track the deal origination and track like who's been the person that have recommended a specific deal to you. So we have also like very simple people records that we can track in Fundmate. And then I suppose coming back to to the key thing that drives the template. It's the startup record, of course. So let me now show you how each company looks like and what can be tracked here. As you can see, there's quite a lot of parameters here, but these have been built from my experience. It seems like a lot, and of course you can use all of them or some of them, but this has been kind of like the minimal amount of things that I like to track. So it starts from the status, of course, then the vertical where the company is playing, a very simple description, and other sort of geographical data like the stage, country, URL, Crunchbase link, deck if it's available in PDF or some file, and then some key data points about how much money the company is raising, how much it has already raised, then where the source of the lead was from for my internal tracking, then the deal source. As I said, this is the link to the deal recommenders, and then the last kind of group of parameters is around tracking my touch points and next steps and touch point dates, so that I can keep track of this as well. And I found that keeping all these things filled out, it gives me a pretty decent overview of what the company is, and also the touch points that I have with the company. Moving further on, then there's of course space here to add any meeting notes or touch points with the company to sort of keep the qualitative data here, and also to track any additional documents either in files or links, and then also to create any action items and next steps that need to be done here with relation to the company. So that is this company page or startup page is literally where all the important data is stored, and then you can also of course track the opportunity or rank the opportunity, which gives you then this like nice visual clue or cue where you can see how many of this like highly ranked companies you are tracking in your Dealflow funnel. And then of course we have different views on this funnel, right? So we can track the sort of the operational stage or point of view, where basically you can highlight the next steps required and next touch points. There is also a calendar view which gives you a visual point of view on the next steps or meetings with the companies, etc. So you can really play around with how you would like to visualize then the deal flow funnel and what of these parameters you need to unsurface in different situations. So that is really it. That's how Fundmate is set up. And as I like to say with any Notion template, this is a blueprint, right? So you can alter it in a very easy way. You can obviously adjust what parameters you would like to track. You can adjust the views that you would like to see, or charts or anything else. But I've built this template essentially for my own purposes. Was when I was running a micro VC fund and managing the deal flow there. So I feel there's already like a decent initial framework embedded in the template, and it can give you a pretty nice starting point when you're starting to build out a system to track the deal flow and track your funnel as an investor. So that's really it from me. If you like the template, you can find the link to the template in the description of this video. And if you have any questions, ideas, or feedback on how to improve the system, or if you happen to get it and have any thoughts to share, please do so, because that really helps me to tweak it and improve these templates so that they are useful to you guys first and foremost. So with that being said, thank you very much for checking this one out. I hope you have a great day. I hope you find Fundmate helpful, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much and have a great day.